So many of us are seeking a return to simpler life, a homesteading lifestyle, hobby farming, seeking self-sustainability on so many different levels. And many of us are doing that these days due to world events. And many of us are starting to find out that growing up in urban settings or never having been involved in farming to begin with are learning that we have so much to learn. But where do we find all of this information? Well, I'm here to tell you we have an exciting new series where experienced homesteaders teach new homesteaders the skills and information they need to know. Welcome to the Homesteading Academy, education for homesteaders by homesteaders. The Homesteading Academy will consist of either live or pre-recorded educational segments on a range of topics, and they're all going to be related to the homesteading lifestyle. For example, we may take a homesteader who is quite experienced with raising cattle and have them come on and discuss their experiences and tips for raising cows. Our goal in providing this is to provide an educational forum where we can all come together and learn and grow. Drop us a comment down below letting us know what topics are of interest to you, and we're going to do our best to accommodate them. Coming soon to our channel, starting next week. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, click all notifications, and stay tuned for this upcoming series. We are so excited to have you join us for the Homesteading Academy, where homesteaders come to learn.